Hey everybody, welcome back to the Music Fitness channel. In this video, we're gonna do another spider crawl exercise with the finger pattern 4, 2, 3, 1. Let's try it. If you've just stumbled across this video, you should know that it's a guided practice for people who are just learning guitar. So if that's you, grab a guitar and see if you can keep up. Just a few things you should watch out for when you're doing this exercise. Make sure that you're keeping your fingers spread out over the frets. I see a lot of students try and kind of shift their hand back and forth as they're doing this, which is a waste of time and energy. Try to keep things hovering over the frets that they're gonna play and just keep your hands steady. Also make sure you're using the very tips of your fingers. You don't wanna use the fronts of your fingers like this, like we do with power chords. You wanna use the very tips. Curl your fingers like a claw. Also try to avoid those short little choppy buzzy notes. You want to try and sustain the note until you play the next note. All right, we're going to start with 2 clicks per note at 60 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, here's 70 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Now we're at 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Now we're on to 90 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, now we're at 100 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Here's 110 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, last time doing 2 clicks per note. Here's 120 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, now we're going back to 60 beats per minute, but it's just going to be 1 click per note. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Here's 70 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. And here's 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, here's 90 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, just a few more. Here's 100 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, here's 110 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, last one. Here's 120 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Well, hopefully you've done enough of these spider crawl exercises that you're starting to feel the control of all of your fingers, especially the pinky and the ring finger. That's what these are for, is getting control over your weak fingers and also coordinating between the 2 hands, making sure they're moving the same amount of strings each time. If you're looking to do any kind of lead guitar or soloing, this is definitely the exercise you want to be practicing the most. This is going to help keep your playing sounding clean and tight. Well, if you've got any questions or suggestions, make sure you put them in the comments. But if not, I think that's going to be the end of this one. So keep up the good work, and I'll see you in the next video.